Welcome guys to the video. We're at Space Properties. We turn your space into a home. So what this video is about you. We know that you have a backyard which is close to the university, and we want to help you turn that backyard into a money-making machine. How can we do that? We put a modular home in the backyard, and then we rent that out to students. Why? You'll be helping the housing crisis, you'll be helping the students, and you'll be helping yourself. So welcome guys into the 2-bedroom Brighton home. What are we going to talk about? Let's talk about this map first. This map, do you see all those red dots, green dots, blue dots? Well, they mean something. That's your backyard. And we need to have students wanting to rent your backyard. Why? Because they're finding it difficult to find somewhere close, which is walking distance to the university. They also want to have something better than what's out there in the marketplace. So what kind of rent can we get for you? We'll see those red dots. $400 per room we can get for your smart home. Or see the green dots. That's $350 per room. Or blue dots. $300 for your smart home per room. Now that's per week. So let's look at those numbers. We'll say a 2-bedroom at $400 per bedroom. That's $800 a week. Times 4 is $3,200 a month income. To pay off this smart home over a 25-year loan, 5% interest, $1,216. That means you only have to pay a loan, $1,216, but you're receiving $3,200. What's the difference? It's up there on the screen. You will get that as a passive income in your pocket. Now, if you choose to use that to pay off another loan, up to you. If you choose to put it in your pocket, up to you. But this is a smart investment to get this home in your backyard for free because the renter pays it off for you. Also, students are good renters. We usually get a 3 to 4 year contract with them. But we've partnered with the best real estate agents to get you the highest rent. Now, let's look at the worst scenario. Say you're in between the year, between seasons where we haven't got students for you. You can still get $470 a week for this smart home. Now, that's big income. What's your competitive edge? Well, you don't have to buy the land. You've already got the land. It's in your backyard. Competitors, they'll have to borrow a lot more to compete against your rental agreements. The other advantage is we'll increase your property value overall. The other huge advantage is this takes 2 weeks to build, and we'll guarantee the first month rental for you. 2 weeks to build means rent it out fast. No money out of your pocket. Now let's have a look at this 2-bedroom smart home. So this is the 2-bedroom Brighton. Now, did you know with the new Victorian legislation, there's no planning permit. Also, you can rent this out to anyone now. So let's go in and have a look. This is 1 bedroom down one end. Comes with the curtains, comes with the cupboard, and big, beautiful window looking straight out. Nice. Now we're going to go into the bathroom. Look how the utilisation of space here. You've got the shower, you've got the toilet, and you've got the laundry. We include the washer and dryer, so no clothesline. Very convenient for students. Now, the kitchen. See this 4-seater sitting on there? That's the dining area. There's only 2 students, but they can have 2 guests if they wish. So we include the whole kitchen here. You get the microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, induction cooker, oven, overhead fan, the entire kitchen. Now look at the utilisation of space in here. How smart is that? Nice. Big sink there too. Lots of cupboard space, up and down. Now the lounge room. Look up here on the left here. See that, guys? One heater, one air conditioner. This does the whole home. Now with the lounge room, you can see here the TV up top. The kitchen, you can also watch the TV. The dining area, you can watch the TV. That's the front door, looking out the front. Curtains all the way throughout the building. Second room, down the other end, gives the other student privacy. Big cupboard, there'll be a desk right next to that cupboard. This is a queen-size bed, just to show you the size of the room. High ceiling, big windows, nice. Now, looking back into the kitchen, look at that. That's beautiful. Come and see for yourself, guys. It's bigger than it looks. Now, if you don't want to have a loan for the Brighton, we have a second option here, a very cost-effective option. This is called the Apple Pod. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, guys, let's have a look at this Apple Pod. $98,000. We believe we can get $300 rent per week. That works out to be $1,300 per month income. At 5% interest rates, 25-year loan, repayments on that loan, $573. That's hardly anything. Rent being received, $1,300 minus $573. The total income in your pocket, $727. The renter pays off your home and you have this as a passive income. See the number that's on your screen? Make an appointment with me. I'll show you the home inside the showroom. We'll make sure it fits in your backyard. We help you with the loan because my finance broker is upstairs. They'll give you the best rates. We already have students waiting to rent your home. We build it fast. We help you apply for the loan, put the renter in. We make it that easy. You receive a passive income fast.